Hey there, kids. Today, I'm going to tell you an amazing story about a boy named Joey and his fantastic dreamland journeys. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. Meet Joey, a young boy from Willowbrook. He's full of energy, with bright, bold eyes and wild, curly brown hair. Joey loves to explore, run, and chase butterflies and birds. But there's something super special about Joey's sneakers. They're magical. They change when he dreams, creating amazing adventures while Joey sleeps. Joey's mom is always curious why his sneakers need to be replaced so often. She can't figure out why Joey's feet are growing so quickly. Let's find out what's happening to Joey every night when he goes to sleep. Chapter 1. The Dream World of Crystal Waters. One night, Joey closed his eyes and the world around him faded into darkness. His sneakers tingled, and suddenly he was standing at the edge of a crystal clear lake, shimmering under a sun that never sets. The water hummed with magical energy. "Welcome to Crystal Waters." A dolphin leaped from the water, speaking in a cheerful voice. "We need your help, Joey. The magic of the lake is fading, and if we don't stop it, everything will dry up." Joey squinted into the distance. Across the lake, a huge waterfall had stopped flowing. Its spirit was laughing wildly, and the once glistening waters were now stagnant and dull. Without hesitation, Joey dashed toward the waterfall, his sneakers carrying him faster than ever. As he reached the base, mischievous waves crashed, with waves over 50 feet high. Joey's eyes were wide and he gasped for air. "You'll never fix this, Joey," the spirit taunted, sending waves crashing toward him. But Joey wasn't scared. He took a deep breath, closed his eyes, and imagined a world where the water was alive again, where everything flowed freely. In an instant, the spirit's magic was broken, and the waters began to sparkle once more, sending ripples of joy throughout the land. The dolphin gave Joey a high five. "You did it! The lake is saved and the magic is back." As Joey headed back home, the water shimmered in the sunlight, and he couldn't wait to tell his mom about the incredible adventure. Chapter 2. The Land of Whimsical Windmills. Joey's sneakers had barely hit the ground when he found himself soaring through the sky, surrounded by a sea of floating windmills. They spun lazily in the breeze, creating clouds of colorful pollen that drifted like confetti. "This is the land of whimsical windmills," a giggling bird chirped, flying beside him. "But there's trouble. A storm broke the gears that keep the village afloat. If we don't fix them, it'll crash to the ground." Without wasting a second, Joey climbed into a giant bird-shaped glider and shot across the sky, the wind rushing past him. He could see the village below, its houses swaying in the breeze, their rooftops wobbling dangerously. The storm was brewing on the horizon. Joey knew time was running out. He zipped into the heart of the village where the windmill gears were scattered in pieces. A giant cloud monster built from storm clouds was blocking the repair area. "I won't let you fix this," the cloud monster roared. Joey's eyes narrowed. He grabbed a long piece of rope, twisted it into a lasso, and swung it high. With a quick flick, he caught the cloud monster's swirling arm, yanking it down. The storm monster fought back, but Joey was too quick. He used his glider to lift the pieces of the broken windmill gears, putting them back into place. With one last push, the windmills began to spin again. The village steadied, and the storm clouds dispersed. The village cheered, and Joey soared back into the air, feeling the rush of the wind beneath his feet. He was ready for his next adventure. Thanks for joining Joey on his fantastic Dreamland journeys. Stay tuned for more incredible adventures. Bye for now.